Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking you through the entire process of carving this sign. This is going to be outset letters. These are 1.25 inch letters approximately. It's a pretty tight sign, as you can see, but we're going to take you through the whole process of carving this one. Again, outset letters using the profile bit. Not sure if you can see that in there or not. I'm going to go around all the outside edges with the profile bit, and then we'll use the 60-degree bit to clean up all of the extra areas. So what I'm going to do is just keep the camera rolling and just take you through the whole process. So I hope you enjoy carving outset letters on this ribbon sign. Okay guys, so that's it. That's the sign done. If you follow what I do, you know that I like the background to be rough, but the important thing is that you take your brush and make sure you give it a good brush to get out all of those high spots. And the best way to see if you've got high spots is actually to look down either the length or from one of the sides and just see if you can see anything that's protruding out further than your letters. In this case, it's pretty good. I've got just a few spots that I'm going to just take care of with my little carving gouge. Just a few spots that I want to clean up just a little bit, but other than that, sign's pretty much done. I'm going to spray paint it and then do a bunch of sanding, which I'll take you along for the ride. Okay, so you've seen me use this before. This is that Rust-Oleum flat black primer. And so just give it a quick shake. And this is where you see the magic start to happen. Alright, so I know that's probably hard for you to see, but this is all you need to do. Just put a nice even coat on, and we're going to let it dry, and then when it's dry we'll sand it off and get the big reveal. know if you can see me or not, but this is always my favorite part of the sign, so I just wanted to share it with you. All right, y'all. So there it is. Oh, and that, by the way, that's my website for these wood signs, if you want to go there. So this is just gonna hang in the shop. You know, just probably hang underneath my logoed sign. I don't know. We'll find a place for it. But I hope you learned something along the way here. If you've got questions, if there's stuff that I did that you don't understand why I did it, if there's something that you don't understand what I did, or if you just want further clarification or whatever, just send me a note. Let me know. I'd love to answer them for you. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. I'd love to hear what you're thinking about. You are going to make knowing that you can do this. And like I always say, if I can do it, you can do it. If you enjoyed it enough, I'd really appreciate you liking and sharing this video. Maybe subscribe to the channel, or maybe even hit that bell up over there and get notified every time I put out another video. Hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.